Hello and welcome back everybody, Jean here with more Mars anomalies and strange artifacts on Mars. This is a weird one folks, it looks like an outline of a large structure or maybe even something else. Let's take a look. Here we'll be analyzing a Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter context camera photograph. The anomaly is located right there, we'll take a look at that now. This photograph was acquired on the 2nd of March 2010 at a scale pixel width of 5.08 meters. So if we zoom in on this object, you can see it right there folks, and that's about 200 meters long. You can see two of the straight sides there, and it's got a strange curvature to the top right. We'll have a look at that close up in a moment. This anomaly was found by my friend Saturn Ark, all credit to him. It's located on the edge of this circular depression just to the north of Asimov, and we'll have a look at some of the other anomalies in the region as well. And at the time of this video there was no high resolution high-res photograph to analyze, so we're just having a look at the low-res context camera photograph. So there it is folks, zoomed out, not to scale. There's nothing else like this in this CTX guys. So there it is close up. This is at 1:1 scale. I've enhanced the contrast just a bit to bring out the shadows and the highlights, makes it a lot easier to spot. And that there, as I say, is about 200 to 300 meters long. And there it is. I've put an outline on it folks, so you can check the structure is right there. It seems to have a similar shape to a tanker. Check that out. We've got the straight edges and the curvature over there to the top right, and strange object right there. Don't know if it's part of this. So we're looking at a structured item over here, or is this possibly a shipwreck? Who knows? Check out the straight edges, right angle over here, and then we've also got this strange part here to the back, and it's parallel to this edge over there. It's got a uniform thickness to it, or depth to it. This side over here is still covered in sand, and then also to the bottom left we've got a strange L-shaped piece. Very weird. So don't know what this is, but it is rather strange. If we draw a center line through here, that part there falls in line with it. Alright, let's zoom down to Asimov. In particular, the site we're analyzing, and the anomaly is right there folks. We'll have a look at that now. So let's switch on the CTX mosaic overlay, and we'll zoom in on it, take some measurements, and have a look at the surrounding terrain as well. So there it is, starting to show up. So if we use the distance tool, we can measure that length over there, and that is about 110 meters, and from there to there about 200 meters, and the total length is about 300 to 310 meters. Right, let's switch off the CTX and have a look at some of the other anomalies in this region. Check out the huge block over there. It's about 34 meters wide, about 73 meters long, and it reminds us of the dimensions of the monolith that was shown in Space Odyssey 2001. And there's nothing else like it in Asimov. There's also various blocks and megaliths. Check out the straight edges, parallel sides, right angles to that block. And my friend Saturn Ark and I speculate these blocks were in a retaining type of wall. Somehow the block separated and rolled down the inclination of this strange circular depression, which reminds us a lot of the moats in Atlantis. Also, we have strange artifacts like this piece. It looks almost like some type of machinery, some weird wreckage. Check out the straight edges, parallel lines and right angles in that piece. It looks almost like a piece of air conditioning equipment, doesn't it? And then megalithic blocks and slabs. Got these straight edges and right angles there. This is a strange piece. It's a square cube, about 6 by 6 meters in size. It's got a weird spherical object next to it and a protrusion or knob on the one side. Very similar to the blocks we find in the ruins of South America. Check out that half a disc shaped object there, folks, with a rectangular opening there, what looks like an opening, straight edges and right angles to it as well. And in the center of that we have this oval dark spot. So let's go and have a look at some of the other anomalies. Up here to the northeast in North of Asimov, I found this strange geometric surface feature, two circles of the same size, and perpendicular to those we've got a smaller circular depression there. So we've got another perfect triangle, and then there's another strange surface feature over there. Check out this, we've got a line over here, and perpendicular to it another row over there. So two circular depressions, the same size, triangular depression, and then these two smaller depressions off at a right angle. So could that have been a depiction of a star constellation, like the pyramids in Giza that are placed in alignment with Orion's belt? Very strange, folks. So let's have a look at some of the other anomalies around here. Looks like a little UFO parked over there. It's about 6 meters wide. This disc, small dome on it. There's another disc, the dome on it. Check out that disc, folks. And right in its center, that little dome there. And this is also where I found that strange object that's very similar to a stone carving of a scarab beetle that you find in the British Museum and over at the Karnak Temple. It's about 12 meters long. That's it for this one, folks. Also, just a quick news update. The producers of the Russian TV channel that interviewed me a couple of weeks ago, they've gotten back to me just to update me on when the interview will be aired, and it's around sometime in September. So I'll keep you posted on that one as well. And then A&E over at the History Channel, the producers there contacted me, and they'd like to conduct an interview concerning the discoveries that I made on Mars. So, very exciting news, folks. I'll keep you updated on that one as well. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye for now.